Today we are going to make pasta salad, fall edition and Italian style of course. It's so quick and easy to make and you will love it because it's delicious. And that's how we do it. Let's start by cutting the zucchini. Remove the ends and if you have it, use a mandolin for an even cut of all your slices. You want them to be just a few millimeters wide. Oil the pan with a little of extra virgin olive oil and place all the zucchini slices on the grill. When they have these nice grill marks, you can flip them. Repeat the process for all your zucchini and keep aside in a plate. It's already time to bring the water to a boil since the preparation is so fast. Then salt it and pour your favorite pasta. As always, give it a good stir to avoid it sticking to the pan. In the meanwhile, we can prepare all the other ingredients. Start by chopping some fresh mint leaves finely and put them together with the grilled zucchini. We used a confit garlic oil as dressing for the zucchini. Stick until the end of this video to know how we made it. Give it a nice toss and then it's time for a good thick slice of speck, a type of cured and lightly smoked ham directly from Trentino, its mother country, simply delicious. Make first some slices and then cut it into little cubes about 1/4 inch. At this point the pasta should be ready and you can drain it. Rinse the pasta a bit with fresh water and transfer to a larger bowl. Here use a generous amount of the garlic oil dressing and then toss it for 10 to 12 seconds until it gets all shiny. Eventually add all the ingredients one at a time. We have this creamy mascarpone cheese, but Philadelphia would work just as fine. Then of course our zucchini with mint and oil, super fresh and crunchy. And last but not least, the speck, that will add saltiness and a pleasant smoky flavor. Finish with the last couple spoons of our oil and mix everything together very well. You'll start smelling all the flavors combining. This recipe is so fast and so delicious. I need to taste it now! It's so great. Just a little bit of pepper, I think. It's needed. And this is gonna be my lunch tomorrow at work. Bring the oil to a light simmer and add the peeled garlic. And fresh herbs as thyme and chili peppers if you like. Cook it for about 30 minutes until the garlic gets soft. You can use the oil for any preps, and the garlic cloves are great on your hot bread.
Wow, there are so many textures and flavors, and the creaminess of the cheese is just perfect. If you like quick recipes, check out our pesto pasta recipe. And don't forget to like and subscribe.